Hey everyone, it's Jamie from Silent Knot, and today I'm gonna show you how to clean a wood branch for macrame projects. First, I removed the bark of the wood branch using a mini hacksaw. I had to make sure that all the branches are completely dried out. Next, I grabbed a sturdy brush to scrub the wood. And then, I'm going to pour half a bottle cap of bleach into a bucket of water. If you have a bathtub, then this would be done easier. But anyway, I'm just going to turn this wood upside down and repeat the same process. Then leave them soaked for 15 minutes each. After that, I'm going to mix a spoonful of baking soda into a bucket of warm water. I'm just gonna leave this for a couple of hours and then repeat the same process for the other half of the wood. Again, if you have a full-size bathtub, it would be better to save time. Next, we are going to let the wood branches completely dry by placing them under the sun. Finally, we are going to rub them with sandpaper until they're smooth and round on the edges. I'm also gonna wipe them clean using a dry cloth. If you want, you can also apply a thin layer of varnish, but for now, I'm gonna leave them with this matte finish. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. See you on my next video. Bye for now.